Hi, I'm going to present the last star of Bella Dama Aesthetics portfolio, Revital. Revital is a unique product, an explosion of effectiveness, innovation and safety. A nourished, renewed, smooth and glowing skin and a real lifting effect are obtained thanks to the explosive synergy of its ingredients. Let's talk about the composition. It's a 10 cc of a sterile solution of hyaluronic acid, polydyeoxyribonucleic and argireline. We know almost everything about hyaluronic acid. It stimulates the fibroblast activity, it regulates the activity of melanocytes, it has a very important role in hydration and skin elasticity. Polydyeoxyribonucleic is a mixture of deoxyribonucleotides with a molecular weight ranging between 50 and 1500 kilodalton. It's very well known in regenerative medicine. It stimulates the angiogenesis, it has an anti-inflammatory effect, it protects the skin from UVA and UVB rays. Argireline is acetyl-8 hexapeptide and it's a component of botulinum toxin. So it is very effective in reducing wrinkles and fine lines all over the face, neck, body, hands, everywhere, thanks to this effect. The result of biostimulation with Revital is a nourished, smooth and glowing skin, but most of all, unhealthy skin. So, it's just time to start and let's skin up with Revital.